Hi, can you tell me your name?
Sure, my name is Emily.
Nice to meet you, Emily. Where are you from?
I'm originally from Los Angeles, California.
That is cool. What do you do for a living?
I work as a graphic designer. I'm passionate about visual communication and enjoy creating aesthetically pleasing designs that convey messages effectively.
Interesting. How long have you been a graphic designer?
I've been working in this field for about 5 years. I started as an intern at a design agency during college and gradually worked my way up. It's been an exciting journey of learning and honing my skills.
Impressive. Any hobbies or interests outside of work?
Absolutely. In my free time, I enjoy playing the piano. It's a creative outlet for me, allowing me to express emotions and unwind. I also love spending time in nature, so hiking and exploring new trails is something I find rejuvenating.
That sounds fun. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog named Max. He is a friendly and energetic Labrador Retriever. Taking care of him brings me so much joy and companionship. We often go on long walks and play fetch in the park.
Ah, that is adorable. Anything else you'd like to share about yourself?
Well, I have a passion for traveling and exploring new cultures. I find it fascinating to immerse myself in different environments, try diverse cuisines, and learn about the history and traditions of each place I visit. It broadens my perspective and helps me appreciate the diversity of our world.
That's awesome, Emily. It sounds like you have a rich and fulfilling life. Thank you for sharing all these details about yourself.
You're welcome. I'm glad I could share a bit about myself. It was a pleasure talking to you too. If you have any more questions, or if there is anything else you'd like to know, feel free to ask.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or suggestions. I would love to hear from you. And stay tuned for our next video coming up soon. Stay tuned for our next video coming up soon.